Hey, hello. And I'm gonna unlock a burning question today, and that is during your IELTS journey, how can you practice your speaking English? Okay, so as we are not a native speaker, so English isn't our first language. So we actually hardly see persons who can speak in English, and they actually give us time, right? Because in this hectic schedule, nobody has great time. Okay, so then how can you practice every single day and you can develop your speaking level? So in this video, I'm going to give you only three things that you can follow to enhance your developing speaking level. So number one is, see, if you have nobody, that's not a great mistake in this era, in this modern cutting edge era, because AI actually made our life very easy. So you can obviously talk with AI, and AI is your servant right now. So use your servant. You have abundant of tools, AI tools, so you can follow that. So number one, this is very important, and that is ChatGPT. So you can go to ChatGPT and first of all give it a comment that, hey ChatGPT, please ask me something like IELTS and like Q card, or take a mock of mine, part 1, part 2, and part 3, and at the end you have to find out and identify my mistakes, all kinds of mistakes like grammatical, pronunciation, and other sorts of mistakes, and obviously tell me how can I improve. Okay, and another one you can mention it like assess my speaking level. Okay, give me a band. Okay, then it will provide you. And number two, and that is like Gemini. So Gemini is another one, and Copilot. These all are really cool. And Copilot has the American accent, so you can go there. Om TV, and there are some kinds of apps, and there the native speakers actually come across the world, and non-native speakers also come and they practice speaking English. Okay, and one of the burning app name is like Om TV, like OME TV. So, and here you can practice every single day. So this is very easy, and this is how you can polish your speaking level. Okay, so this is how we can polish your speaking level. So why are you lagging behind? Okay, get up and hit them and take the all advantages of the modern technology, of the modern era and AI. So then you will get the highest output. Okay, so thank you very much.